Hi guys, let's look at this question. This question had appeared in ZAT 2022. Okay. Now this question says Sheila purchased two varieties of apple A and B for a total of 2,800 rupees. So total cost price, okay, cost price of A plus cost price of B, we know is 2,800. Right? The weights of A purchased by Sheila are in the ratio of 5:8. So if I talk about the weights, which means I'm assuming that number of kgs. Number of kgs bought is 5x here and 8x here. When we are given ratios, we have to assume a common variable. Okay. Now, but the cost price of A by Sheila, okay. Now, the cost price of A is 20% more than the cost price of B. Now, when I say 20% more, if I assume my base value as 5, 20% more will be 1 by 5 more. Okay. If you assume the base value of 5, there is 1 by 5 more, which means the increment is by 1 and the final value becomes 6. Since price is a different term, let's say price per kg, I would assume this as 6y. Sorry, this is 5y and this becomes 6y. So that price into number of kgs will be my total cost price. So my total cost price here becomes 30xy. And here my total cost price becomes 40xy, which is equal to 2,800. Or eventually we have 70xy is equal to 2,800. 0 gets cancelled. 7 ones are 740s. So we have xy is equal to 40. So variety A costed me 30 into 40, that is 1,200 rupees. And variety B costed us 40 into 40, that is 1,600 rupees. This is my total cost price. Now, Sheila sells A at a profit of 15%. So 15% of 1,200, I repeat, 15% is 10% plus 5%. Now, 10% of 1,200 is 120. Now, 5% is half of 10%. So half of 10% becomes 60, which will give you how much? 180 rupees is the profit made here. Similarly, 10% is the cost price, 10% is the profit made by selling B. So 10% of 1,600 is 160. So therefore, the total profit made is equal to 340. And the question is asking find the overall profit made. Therefore, the answer here is going to be 340 rupees. Yes, it's a very easy question on profit and loss. I think should not take more than 120 to 150 seconds to get the answer. Clear? So see to it that you are solving with ease altogether. If you are using slightly complicated numbers, then maybe there's a chance of committing a calculation mistake. Clear? Thank you guys. All the best.